Hi, in this video we're going to make an awning for our front porch. To do that, we are going to start with the line tool, and then we are going to center the front of our house so we can see it really well. And we're going to find the edge of this line, and we want to make sure that we are higher than the door because we don't want the door to be blocked, maybe a little bit above my midpoint. Right about there. And I'm going to click and let go. And I'm going to make a line across, make sure that it's red, so it's on the face, across to the other side. Click and let go. Now what we're going to do is we are going to rotate our house so we have a side view. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the endpoint there and click and let go. So I have this line. Now what I want to do is move my mouse until it finds this endpoint. We're not going to click, but we want the computer to know that we're using that as a guide. And I'm going to move my mouse up. And you'll see as I move it up, it makes this dotted blue line. I just want to make sure that that is even with the front of the porch. The line going across to the left should be green. And when I click and let go, I'll have a line coming out. So I did that just to make sure that this line came out from the house and is even with the bottom there. Now if you don't want to make another line, you can just hit the escape key on the keyboard, and now that pencil isn't attached anymore. Now what I want to do is I'm going to use the line tool again, and I'm going to click on the end, and I'm going to go over to the edge of this house. And I'm going to go up just a little bit. This is going to make the angle for the roof of our porch. So you can pick an angle that you like. I'm going to go about there, click and let go. You should have a triangle there. And now what we can do with this triangle is rotate to the other side of our house. Select the push-pull tool. And I'm going to click on that triangle and I'm going to drag it out across. And I want it to end with the edge of our house, so I'm actually going to put my mouse up here a little bit so it knows that I want it to be on the edge. And then click and let go. Now we have this nice awning. Now I want to make some support beams for the awning because it would probably need them. I'm going to make my support beams circles. So I'm going to click the three dots, select the circle tool, and I'm going to zoom in on the bottom of our porch, near the corner, not on the corner, but I'll click about here. And I want to make a circle. And now I'm going to use the push-pull tool. And I'm going to select the face of that circle. And I want to drag it all the way up into that little overhanging roof I made. I'll probably have to rotate my camera and keep moving. We definitely don't want it to go out the top. So we're going to push it in just a little bit. And click and let go. And we have a nice little support beam. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. So we'll shift over, select our circle, make a circle on the face, push pull, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to select that surface and push it or pull it all the way up into there. And now we've got some support beams for our house. Let's zoom out and see how that looks. That looks pretty good. If you feel like you got them too uneven, you can always use the undo tool and try that again. But now we have a nice front awning for the front porch of our house.